Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review Grade 1 Spelling Quiz. B words. Spell the word community. We live in a large community. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word occupations. Teaching is one of his previous occupations. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word church. We go to church every Sunday. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word polite. It isn't polite to interrupt people when they're talking. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word uniform. Wear your school uniform every day. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word favorite. Roblox is my favorite game. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word weather. The weather today will be hot and dry. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word healthy. A healthy mind in a healthy body. And the answer is letter B. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane online quiz.